Well, I thought they were all pre-cut. Yes, lads, back from we drop a tea. I cleared this bench as well because I'm going to start into this green kitchen. So, is that a good enough angle? I want to say it's back out of the road. Start off with the wall units anyway. Why? Why not? Such sweet nothing. Always start with your bottoms and your bases. I think it's handier. Screw them all together. And that's her, lads. That's how you build 4 wall units in a matter of, what's that even, 20 months, if even. Handy.